from Hello K Cooking Clip. Woohoo! Look at this! With this amazing cabbage, we are making special kimchi. Are you thinking the red, spicy kimchi? Today, I'm making water kimchi with this cabbage, and it's not spicy. I would just get rid of the soil things roughly. So, I'm making Mulkimchi with this 얼갈이 배추. If you cannot find this 얼갈이 배추 in your country, you can just use Napa cabbage. How to trim the Napa cabbage? Please check my Maangchi channel. So, let's do it. The root part, we need to get rid of it. So, bye-bye. And this cabbage, with your hands, and end of this one, we're not gonna use it. We don't use it. Do it again. So, the root part, get rid of it, and one handful, break it, and once again, the end of this part, nope, you have to do all of it. You know, I just got rid of the soil things. It means I didn't wash this one perfectly, but don't worry about it. We will wash it again. And this big leaf is not tasty after making kimchi. So we are using this stem part. Okay, we need to wash this cabbage. Let's go. You should gently wash it. Look at this dirty water. Okay, you don't need to worry about the rest of water. Let's go. I'm back. Ooh, a lot of things to make water kimchi, right? We've just finished to wash these cabbages. These are cabbages as around 3 to 4 kilograms. Yeah, let's talk about our ingredients. So, 1 handful of spring onion, and look at it. Ooh, beautiful color of red chili. This one is not super spicy one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 15 red chili and 10 garlic clove. You can prepare the minced one with 2 big tablespoons. And ginger, also you can get minced half spoon of ginger. And this one is spicy chili. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I really recommend at this one. But if you don't really like spicy flavor, you can just skip it. Yeah. And 1 apple, 1 pear, 1 onion, and radish. 800 gram of radish and 250 gram of radish. This one we will add to the water after blending it. And this one is we will cut, get salted pickled radish. And then we will use with this cabbage. Yeah. And just a little bit of sesame seed and fish sauce, plum extract. You can use here instead of plum extract. And big and rock salt. Ooh. With this rock salt, we can do salting process. Yeah. And flour to get eating glue, and blender, strainers, and if you have, please prepare this big colander to drain the salted vegetables. So we need to do salting process with cabbages and this 250 gram of radish. So cabbage is already clean and already prepared, right? So we need to cut this radish. How? Thinly slice. So let's make it half. This size of radish would be lovely. Yeah, and I'm making 1 bite size. Run this. Let's put into the cabbage. So we have to do salting process with these beautiful, radishes and cabbages. So I have 2 liters of water. To the water, I'm adding 1 and 1 more. So just to the fresh cold water, let's add salt. Then let's make salted water, like seawater. salted water. Let's put into the cabbage and radish. And let's add 2 little water more. So I put 4 liters of water with 400 milliliters of rock salt. Mix all together and then with salted water put into the veggie thing. So to make salted pickled radish and cabbage. So now gently mix. Really gently. Then we will leave for 30 to 40 minutes. But after 15 to 20 minutes later, we will mix again. See you in 20 minutes. Let's move to the floor. So while the radishes and cabbages getting smoother and smoother and saltier and saltier, we need to prepare the rest of it. So we are making eating glue now. I have a big bowl with gas burner and we need flour, all-purpose one, and water. Well, do you know why we are using eating glue? Eating glue? What is an eating glue? Yeah, we are making eating glue with flour, with water. Why do we need to prepare this one? If you add this eating glue to the kimchi, it helps to fermentation. So 200 grams of regular flour put into the big bowl and 1.5 liters of water. So just come here. And I'm adding water. So flour with cold water and then mix all together. It can be really watery, the flour water, right? We have several different ways of making eating glue. One is like that, flour with water. The second one is just use the rice, the cooked rice. Cooked rice with water, put into the blender and then if you check my spring onion kimchi making video, you can check it out. So flour and water mix all together. Then let's turn it on the gas burner. We have to boil it, this one. You need to keep stirring it. You should mix the flour with cold water before boiling it. Why? If you just straight away turn the gas burner, it's gonna be like chunk of, the glue things. Can you see it? It is boiling. When this glue starts boiling, we need to keep stirring for 1 minute. So let's turn off the gas burner. Ooh, look at this glue. So we need to make it cool down. So let's leave it. So let's cut veggie things. Spring onion first. 1 handful of spring onion. Let's get rid of the root part. Let's cut as your baby finger size. So if you don't have like this spring onion, you can prepare chives. Onion slice. Oh, whenever I make kimchi, this is the problem. Spring onion, double kick my eyes. Oh my god. Do you know what is the next? Really spicy chili. Let's make slice. I'll just bring my chopper to chop this red chili into chopper. If you don't have a chopper, with knife you can chop it. Woo! Hooray! Let's check it out. Beautiful. Like little pieces. We will add everything. Eating glue is ready. Veggies are getting ready. I've just cut a lot of vegetable things. These things I will add into the kimchi. We are making watery kimchi, right? So we have to make a beautiful kimchi water. For the natural sweetness, I'm adding 1 pear and 1 apple. Let's peel off. And let's get rid of seeds and let's put into the blender. We will check the sweetness later, so you don't really worry about size of apple and pear. If you can get, please prepare the Asian, the big, the round, this pear because it's juicy and sweeter. And also, you can just prepare the 2 apples instead of the 1 pear and 1 apple. Yeah. And pear. And put into the blender. And garlic, 2 handfuls of garlic. And half spoon of ginger. We need to add. But my blender is already full, so let's do it. We need just a little bit of water. Yeah. Now we need to add radish. Got it a little pieces. Put into the blender. So 20 minutes later, we need to mix this cabbage and radish. Ooh. Let's mix it like that. Look at this texture. But still, it's a little bit fresh, so let's leave 15 to 20 minutes more. So, nearly 15 minutes later, look at this. Look at it. Smooth and it's really tasty. Let's wash. So, we need to wash this saltiness, but not perfectly. Gently, really gently drain the water and then move it to the colander. Please do not break the vegetable, just like gently. And let's leave it for 10 minutes. Ta-da! Pickled vegetables are ready. We've cut some of vegetables. Eating glue is ready for the kimchi water. We blended a lot of things, so it's time to mix it. So we need to add 4 liters of water into the big bowl. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's time to use strainer. To the strainer, we need to add this ink glue. To get a clear kimchi water, we have to use this strainer. To mix really well, let's stir it. Water, eating glue, and now garlic, ginger, apple, pear, and radish juice. Open the lid and pour so. Slowly. For the clear kimchi juice, we are using this strainer. From this fruit and radish, the kimchi flavor is, nearly ready. So I squeeze everything, right? But then it still has really great flavor. So I'm adding just a little bit of water, around like 300 milliliter, and all together. Let's do it again. lady, water, eating glue, the kimchi juice. So now, let's add this pickled vegetable. Spring onion, spicy chili, and onion. Woohoo! Okay. I'm getting excited. We have red chilies, right? Let's add everything. We did a lot of things, right? Mission complete. Looks like perfect water kimchi, but taste is not yet. We have to add several things more. So let's add fish sauce. In Korea, we have two different types of fish sauce. One is ganari. The other one is 멸치, which is anchovy. You can use anything, but I recommend you use ganari. But in other countries, you guys can use any different types of fish sauce. And if you're a vegetarian, you can just use salt instead of fish sauce, okay? So I'm adding 250 milliliter of fish sauce. 200 first. 50 milliliter. And 4 spoons of salt. And plum juice. 60 milliliter. Instead of plum extract, you can add apple juice or just real sugar. Let's check the flavor. I have a story about this water kimchi. We've just finished making kimchi, right? This one is not fermented one, so it's not fizzy at all. But maybe 2 days later, it will be fizzy. When I'm pregnant, I feel sick. I really want to drink fizzy, drink thing. I like soda, but it's not healthy, right? So I drank this kimchi a lot, and it worked. So anyone who is pregnant at this moment, and if you feel uncomfortable over your, should drink this one. Hey guys, we are done. Oh, I want to check it in. Actually, really tasty. I love it. Whenever I finish to make kimchi, I'm so proud of myself. Ta-da! We did it. Let's move to the container. Okay. Can you see my face? I'm really happy. In the summer season, if you don't want to eat anything, this is perfect food for you. You can keep it more than, 6 months, a year. Look at this beautiful color, and oh my god! Oh, we need to stir kimchi. Just put this one under the room temperature for 1 or 2 days, and then please put it into the refrigerator. Okay, it was a long journey. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time!